Oh, it looks super overgrown now, so I gotta find a way in there. This way. Here it is. Alright, looks like it's about to start raining, so I kind of want to hurry up. Alright, so of course, right when I get here, it starts pouring. I might wait under this tree for a second, because it's like off and on real quick, so I think it might stop. Just gonna give it a minute. Alright, well that didn't go as planned, so yeah, it started raining too hard and the water is too high. And the woods are just so overgrown, it's like I couldn't even get to the water really except for one spot. And I was like, you know, I threw it in that spot probably like 50 times and didn't get anything but a little minnow. So we're gonna go buy some and then I'll just bring the cast net with me to the spot and then hopefully we can catch some fresh stuff there.
Right where I was gonna fucking cast.
It's deep as fuck, so it really don't even matter. Oh yeah, we about to catch one.
Get it? Yeah.
Now I just gotta get him,
Alright. Hang on. Hurry up. Hold it up for Dad now, make him proud.
We're good?
Yeah. Alright, let me take a picture of one now.
Scared away the fucking 100-pounder. Fucking great.
That's alright. I can't have him. Nobody can.
I know. That's a guy.
What is it?
A gar. Fucking bastards. I don't even want to grab this one.
Fucking biggest one. Fucking kill it.
The fucking needle nose there. Fucking jumps.
That's a good one.
You guys want him? No.
Hey, we'll take him.
It's a gar.
Yeah. You gonna clean them? Yeah. Throw it in my boat, bro.
You want a gar?
Yeah, I'll come get it. You want it? Yeah, I'll clean it. That's good meat.
I would not want to put this thing. Before he fucking fucks me up.
Hey, shit, down in Texas, we don't throw them guard back.
Look, bro,
No, people eat them.
look, bro, he found a door. He found a door and he's riding the motherfucker down the river.
That's
Oh my
fucking funny.
god.
He's riding the motherfucking door down.
Alright, I don't know how
Here,
you
pull
want
my pedal.
it. I can't let go of this thing. You want to pull it? I got the horse. Here, he'll pull it. Once he fucking cut the tail.
God damn.
Well, sorry.
Oh, well.
Good attempt.
Good attempt.
Man,
wait
probably would have
around
bit
for
his
a minute,
pecker
bro.
off.
I'll wait around for a minute. I tried.
It's alright, shit. It's all good.
Yeah, no, those are hard to hang on to.
Fish in your hands.
Thank you.
Motherfucker. Motherfucker.